Well, my plate is ready, you guys. My Frito pie. Boy, don't that look good? Got it up so close. And then, like I said, when you continue watching this video that I cooked, I had some leftover. This is vegetable with broccoli. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, you guys, I started to put some on top of when I was baking it, but I just wanted to show you guys the original. You don't have to put no sauce on it, but this is like on the side. This is my green chili, very spicy, and I might not even use this. This is the 2 times sauce. I mean 2 times spicy sauce. You know what? The 2 times spicy for the noodles. You know how you buy the 2 times? That's what that is. And also I'm drinking on my favorite drink. That's what I'm drinking on. But anyway, I'm Mr. Dig In. Like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. Share what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any questions. And also subscribe. I really appreciate it if you guys would. And if you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, thank you guys so much. I really, really appreciate it. God bless. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe out there. Until then, you guys have a blessed day and be safe out there. Alrighty, so I'm going to dig in. Oh, one more tip that I'll tell you guys I did. When you watch how I cook this, the canned chili that I use, it was with the whipped bread with beans. Now, if you don't like beans, you guys, you don't have to. They got some without beans, the chili. So, it all depends on your likeness. So you don't have to. They got some where it's with no bean. And the one I use is with beans. I just want to give that little tip out to you guys, okay? Because I know a lot of people don't like beans and stuff. So, and that's like I said, I did that before without the beans and stuff. And I'm not tell you, a lot of people when they bake their Frito pie, they brown 1 pound of ground beef. Now, only reason I didn't do that is because I just try to make it simple and easy. Especially if anybody who's like young people, come to my channel and say that they just want a simple meal, you don't have to brown no ground beef with it. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, so all you guys who's a beginner cook, you know, because when you open the canned chili, it does have a little ground beef in it. All right, so I just want to give you guys that tip. So I'm Mr. Dig In. So what I'm doing, you guys, I'm gonna pour a little of this because I know this is. I'm gonna pour a little of this sauce, my green chili on top, because this ain't really spicy. Yeah. And again, like I said, you could just eat it. This is something that I like. So yeah. But you see all that corn chip? Ooh, I hope I don't waste it. I don't have my stand, you guys. But anyway. So you guys get the first bite. See the corn chip? You probably can't see it because I just put some of that green chili on top of it. But like I said, this is see that bean. This is an easy dish, to make, especially if you get home or you don't want to cook a big meal and stuff. But this is very filling as well, so something real quick and easy. And this is an easy, simple recipe or dinner, whatever. All right, I'll see you guys in the next upload video. Bye bye. Got one another bite? Go for it. Yeah, and the only reason I'm not showing you guys is you guys watched my video yesterday, you guys will see, or day 4 yesterday, you guys will see how I cook that. But this is the main dish right here for today. Yeah. All right, bye-bye.
Everybody should know that's how love goes. It's good for the soul. Oh, I got a long way to go, but it won't stop the pain. No, that's the kind of thing that keeps me coming back again and again. Till I see your face, I won't be satisfied.
Okay, welcome back to my cooking channel, you guys. Today, I'm making an easy dish again. I have had this Frito Pie in a while, so this is my version of my Frito Pie casserole dish. And it's so simple, so easy. So this is another easy dish. And what I use is the Wolf brand chili, Fritos, diced tomatoes. I like to use this kind. Diced pepper, cheese, and chopped onion. Okay, and you guys, you could use any kind of chili you want, but I like to use this brand. Yeah. So since I have made this a long time, I have to look at my cookbook to see if I have all the ingredients, which I probably do have all the ingredients. But this don't require, only thing this require, because everything is cooked. So what I do, I just mix up my whip around with the tomato and the peppers and the cheese. Well, no, I don't put cheese. I kind of layer this, and you'll see how I do it, okay? I don't even saute my onion as well. Yep, easy, easy. Another easy dinner. Another easy recipe on my cooking channel. So if you are a beginner, again, like I said yesterday, or if you are like a beginner cook and just want to cook something at home and stuff and trying to just eat out all the time, order food and stuff, this is another great easy dish for you guys. Okay, alrighty. Okay, you guys, so first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my chili in my bowl. Easy dish, you guys. And you don't really, if you don't like spicy food, and these peppers not really that hot, you guys, but you could leave this out if you want to. You don't have to put that in there, especially if you don't like spicy food, okay? Okay, now stir it up. And that's it. Oh, my onion, sorry about that. My bad. And I like to, because this say, if you don't like to chop up onion, and they have these frozen onion as well. So I would like to buy this. So I'm not going to put all of it, but just kind of spread it like that. Then now just stir it up. Easy dish, you guys. I guarantee. Because this gonna bake. You know, at least I try to at least bake it for the onion to kind of sweat in it. And normally time I used to just saute my onions. You know what I'm saying? That's a piece of soon. Yeah, but this is just easy, quick goulash. At this part is you just throw everything in one bowl. Yeah, but now I'll show you how to put in my casserole dish. Okay. Okay, you guys, I like to spray my casserole dish. That way it won't stick. Okay, so I'm gonna sprinkle some corn chip. So easy, you guys. Easy. And I think I'm just gonna do 2 layers, but that's all. Okay, and then I'm gonna sprinkle just a little cheese. If I can have some of that cheese on the corn chip. You guys, you see how I'm doing this? Can you guys see that? Let me go ahead and put it a little closer. I guess you guys just went ahead and put it up a little closer. Like that. Just like you just learned out of casserole. Then just go ahead and put some chili on top. And then you just repeat the process. Yeah, see how I'm doing it? Yep. And like I said, I'll probably just let this cook just so the cheese get melted, you know. Alrighty. Be right back. I'll finish everything. And then I'll lay my second layer out. I'm doing it. Just spread it around. Easy dish, you guys. Very easy. And then put cheese. It's just like you're doing, just, you know, repeating everything. Okay? Then just make sure that you just complete all the chili, the main thing. And this is how much I got left. So there might be, I said 2, there might be 3 layers. So yeah, it all depends on how much chili you have. Okay? So then let's go ahead and repeat everything. Okay? Spread it around. And that's about it, you guys. Okay, so I just no mess, no nothing, you guys. Only dish I messed up with this when I had the chili. Easy. Then I just kind of spread it. Spread it around. And then I just top it with cheese. That's it, you guys. My Frito Pie. I don't know why they call it. Well, back home, I don't know what you guys call it, but back home in Texas, they call it Frito Pie. Because I guess it's kind of like it, I don't know. But that's what I used to call it back home, Frito Pie. Oh, okay, so when I got my oven at 350 degrees, and I'm just gonna, mostly what you want to do is just make sure all your cheese and stuff, and you open up a can chili, you know, you just heat it up before it get real hot. Yeah. So I'm gonna say leave spot. I might leave it in there because I did onions, even though it was just frozen, but I might leave it in there for 10 to 15 minutes, you know, so the onion could get all, you know. And I just use 1 bag of this, you guys. 1 bag, that's all I use. And even though I used to get the family side corn chip, but Even though my daughter, she brought 2 of these bags, because they like in a smaller bag. But that's all I use, just 1 bag. And this is like 9. That's how much ounce it is. So that's how much, if you want to know how much to make. But she got the little small bag, because they didn't have the family bag. And this is how much, 9 and 1/4 ounce. So that's very important, you guys, because you probably want to know, well, how much cheese, how much Fritos did she add and stuff. So I'll just show you. I'll just add that. All right, so I'll see you guys when I make my plate. I'm going to go ahead and put it in my oven. All right, that's my Frito pie. Well, you guys, my Frito pie, just took it out of the oven. That's how the bottom part look. Okay. And now I mix the fish my plate. You guys see how the cheese melt. Yep. Yep.
Well, I did this one. I tell you, I put my truck in the shop. My valve cover gasket was leaking in that cold weather.
All right, so now you guys, let's go ahead and make my plate. Okay, I just want to show you guys. I just took it out of the oven. This is how it look.
Because I got a warranty on it. They don't cover gaskets or seals.
And you guys, I had some leftover that broccoli, steamed broccoli mixed with rice and carrot and corn. So I had some leftovers. So hey, I'm just gonna eat it with my Frito pie. Yep. Alrighty, you guys. I'll see you guys when I bake my plate.
Pain, no, that's the kind of thing that keeps me calling.